What up, you guys? Welcome back, man. Oh man, I just had I'm not gonna lie, bro, I had a great ass workout today, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys, bro. So I was like, yeah, no, I'm feeling good. The workout went good. I want to do a video now so I can really be good, you know what I'm saying? Right now I just left the gym and now I'm on my way to practice. We pretty much have practice every day, bro. We grinding on this baseball things or this baseball coaching gig, and so every opportunity we have, like that I get in terms of like coaching, I'm always there. So there's literally like no days off, right? I work like Monday to Sunday, so I don't even have like a weekend that I look forward to. So yeah, man, it's all good vibes over here, bro. It looks like it's gonna rain. I saw like the rest of the week is supposed to rain. I don't know how bad, but I actually haven't done a rain POV drive in a while, so maybe that's not so bad. Right now we have no gas. We have 19 miles. We have 7.5 miles till we get there. So my plans is to get gas after practice, because practice starts at 5. I get there at 5:03. So that's a little bit late already, but a lot of the kids never, you know, get there on time anyway. They come a little later. So right now we're driving an eco to try to save some gas. One thing I will say, guys, I actually do believe that when you drive an eco, bro, you do save gas. Like your miles per gallon, it's higher than when you're in comfort or sport. I thought that it would kind of be the same when you have a tuned car, but for me, like, it really does help, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I even did a research on like if the stop and start hurt your car, and they were talking about like it's only good to use it when you're like in the city. It's not good to use like eco when you're on the highway. Well, or maybe it's the other way around, one of the two. Well, I forgot exactly, but I know that it does save gas and it does help your fuel consumption, whatever shenanigans. So I put it to the test a while ago, and I was like, let me see how many miles per gallon I get while I'm driving in eco versus while I'm driving in comfort and while I'm driving in sport. And it is a big difference. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. So hey, if you want to drive in eco, save some gas, you can definitely do that. Right now we're definitely cruising in eco for a little while, and while we're talking about that, I'm about to check right now, because I know a lot of you guys always ask me questions about the car and stuff. So as a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and check my comments, like comments that you guys have, you know, or like questions you guys have asked, and I'm gonna answer it in this video. So I'll quickly take a look. You know, I'm not gonna be staring at it, but I'm gonna quickly glance at it and see what you guys are asking about. But first question that I see right here is by Zoo something. Are they still gonna be reliable if you buy one 110k plus miles? Honestly, yes, they can be very reliable even with high mileage. It really depends on who was the owner, how well did they maintain it, because I know my boy JD, he bought his 435 at like, I think he told me at like 130,000 miles, something like that. But he did rebuild his engine. He did do a lot of other stuff beforehand. So I mean, you definitely can. I think you can. It just kind of depends on like how well was it maintained and all of that kind of stuff. So I think you can. Obviously, if it's for a really good price, you definitely can. Now, how long will it last? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how long that will last, but for a little while, it should be good. Okay, next question. Let me see. A lot of okay, and one thing that I always come across is like when I talk about why I got the 440 and why I got a 4-door versus a 2-door and all of that stuff, I always get this comment saying like, oh, you just didn't have money for an M4. Bro, maybe I had money for the M4, but it just wasn't a good investment then. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't want to have to pay over $1,000 a month for a car that, you know, wasn't making me any money. It was not like an investment. It's more of like a happy, pleasuring thing. You know what I'm saying? This car was definitely more affordable, something that I was gonna stress over making payments for. So like sometimes it's not even about having the money. Like it's not a good investment spending that kind of money over, you know, it was my first car, so my payments was going to be extremely high, insurance was going to be really high. It wasn't a smart decision to get an M4 and make all those payments, big payments, for a car that wasn't going to make me any money then. So that's one of the reasons why I didn't get the M4. Like, I had the money, yes, but I didn't want to make over $1,000 payments a month for a car, you know what I'm saying? Another question, why boot mod and JB4, why not MHD? You can do MHD too. I just said boot mod and JB4 just because those are the only ones that popped into my head while I was making the video. So it's not that there's anything wrong with MHD, I just didn't mention it, that's all. But MHD works too if you want to go that route. It's pretty much all the same kind of things. I just think boot mod is simpler. I've never dealt with like MHD or JB4, so I've never tuned the car with any of those things, so I don't really know exactly how they work, but I just knew that boot mod was super simple. You can do it from your phone. I don't know if it's the same case for MHD and JB4. So yeah, let's see. Let me see, I'm quickly looking at them, nothing crazy, because I am driving. What's your camera setup for your POV drives? So guys, basically it's very simple. I just bought a GoPro. I have the GoPro Hero 12, and then on top of that I got a mount that I can put on my hat, and then I just use a hat. So a hat mount, GoPro Hero 12, and a hat. That's basically it. That's how you guys that's how I make all my POV drives. Anything that involves POV, that's what I use. I actually haven't used my camera in a while, but I do have a video coming out soon pretty much explaining everything that I have on the car, because I always get those questions, and it's gonna be like a quick rundown of everything that I have, because I did change my front lip again. I also got new mirror caps. Maybe I'll wait until I get my steering wheel to finish that video, and then I'll go ahead and post that for you guys, so you guys can kind of get a complete everything of what I've done so far, and you know what's next after that. What's next? What do I see? 440 hella reliable, no doubt. Definitely, bro. It's a good car, very reliable. Yeah, man, it's not much else you can say. It's just a good car. As long as you take care of it, it'll take care of you. Very simple, honestly. What made you get the 4-door instead of the coupe? I've answered this many times, but during that time, the spec that the 2-door had, I couldn't really find the spec that I wanted on the 440. The 2-door that I saw had the red guts, but it was high mileage. It had the fog lights I didn't want, and what else did it have? I think that was it. And just high mileage, fog lights, and that's it. That's really it why I didn't get it. And it was a 2017. Hi, love the car and the setup. I did not quite get whether you have a res delete or a also downpipe. Yes, I have both. I have a res delete, I have a catalyst downpipe, and then I have a boot mod stage 2 tune. Aggressive, actually. It's super aggressive tune, but I have the duration and all of that stuff lowered, so it's not super loud or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? It's not that crazy, but it's good. Next question, what LEDs does the car have? So these ambient LED lights that you guys see, I actually have some of them off right now, because like I said in the previous video, they turn on when it gets darker outside. But these are from Weekend Garage. I got them online. I reached out to them, and you know, I was like, you know, can you send me them so I can make a video on it? And they, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I didn't get a discount, so don't get it twisted. I had to pay full price for them. But yeah, they've been working out very good. One thing I will say though, every time I detail like my interior, my side door lights start tweaking, bro. So every time I see them, I'm like, oh my god, they're about to go bad. But you know, I just give it some time, let it all dry up, and then it starts working again. So maybe I just can't get that thing wet at all, or I'll start like messing up or going crazy. What else do we have here? Appreciate you like always, bro. Thank you, man. I appreciate you guys, man, for always showing love and popping out to the video. So much love to all of you guys. Your videos are like my favorite for eating my food. Hey, my boy be eating, watching the Sticksmobile driving around town. That's pretty dope, man. What you was eating, bro? You was eating some cereal? That's, bro, honestly, what's you guys' favorite cereal? I always be eating like Frosted Flake. I usually like the chocolate Frosted Flake. I don't know if you guys have tried it, but it's probably my favorite one right now. the problem is that it's super expensive, bro, for a tiny little box that I finished in like 2 bowls. So I usually just end up getting the regular Frosted Flake. It lasts me a lot longer and it's a lot cheaper. So what else? What mods you got, and are you using Buma for MHD? I just answered that. So yeah. Happy birthday to the homie Steak. Yeah, if you guys didn't say happy birthday to me, man, on my birthday, you guys are wildin', man. That was my birthday in September 11th. So that was about we are on what, September 20th something. So it was like 10 days ago, over a little bit over 10 days ago was my birthday. And if you guys didn't say happy birthday, what's up, man? Say happy birthday to your boy Sticks. It's never too late, you know what I'm saying? Okay, anyways, let's answer one more question, and then we're only like 8 minutes away. I'm gonna put the car in sport and then we can kind of finish it while we get there. So interior lights so sexy. Yes, they are. You already know. I always rock purple. Don't know why. I just think it looks the best. There is a ton of different colors you can choose from, but I always just have purple, pink, whatever you want to call it. And yeah. All right, last question, and then we're gonna turn it and we're gonna go in sport and just kind of go crazy a little bit while we get there. Does the pops mess up the engine over time? That's a good question. Honestly, I have no idea. Most of the time I don't drive in sport, so I barely really hear the pops and stuff like that, just because I'm not always driving in sport. But I would assume that if you're constantly like driving in sport and pops and bangs and all that 24/7, I'm sure it cannot be good for the car, bro. These cars are not like they didn't come like that or anything like that, so like it can't be good for it. I would assume that it's not good for the car if you do it like all the time, but I only do it sometimes, so I don't think I'm really running into many problems. Just as long as you maintain your oil services and change all that kind of stuff, you should be good. But yeah, that's the last question, man. If you got any more questions, comment it down below this video if I didn't answer one and you were curious about one. Let me know, bro. I always answer your guys' questions, even though you guys ask me the same ones. I still you know, answer them for you guys. But anyway, we do have 19 miles left. We only got like 5 minutes left of driving, so I'm gonna go ahead, put the car in sport while we go on these little back roads over here, and then go from there. So comfort, sport. I never drive in traction off. I just realized that. I used to, but lately I haven't been. I'll put it in sport transmission, traction off, and let's go crazy. Manual, driving manual as well. Oh god, that's a baby. Let me not pop around here. Let me chill. Let me go nice and slow. I don't want to scare the baby now. Maybe he would like it though. They recently added these speed bumps here. I used to kind of just cruise through here, but now there's like speed bumps here. I don't know if it was because of me. I doubt it, but I'm sure somebody complained and said, yo, there's too many crazy drivers driving through the street super fast. All right. Okay, I know you guys say sometimes, some of you guys say I talk too much, so for the last couple minutes here, I'm just gonna let you guys hear the car, and then yeah. So make sure, before I let you guys go, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment below any other videos you guys want to see, and yeah, go from there. So enjoy the sound of the car. Let's get it. Old guy. Old guy really stopped walking just to watch the car. Maybe he likes the car, or maybe he just hates it. It's one of the two. I would think that he probably hates it, because I know older people, you know, over time you kind of get some hearing problems, you know what I'm saying? So probably hearing these pops does not help your ears. All right, I said I wasn't gonna stop talking. I don't know why. Oh, look at that C63. Ooh wee! I'm not a Mercedes guy, but you know, when they look nice, bro. That's it. You know, you can't hate. I'm not a hater either. You know what I'm saying? When the car looks nice, it looks nice. front of me are going mad slow. Oh my gosh, what's up 440,000? You good, Gangy? Holy macaroni and Cheez-Its. Fortunately, I can't really go as fast because there's this car in front of me. But still, you can still hear the 440,000. Oh wee. Yeah, I better not get stuck at this light. You guys wanna be driving slow. Oh my god, this guy's going the same exact way I'm going. Can't really do much about it either. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know. That sound cannot be good for the car, bro, if I'm being honest. Like, it can't. There's no way. I was thinking of just like, let me know what you guys think. I was thinking of taking off the burbles completely and just having just the car sound. And just do it like that. So I can drive more in sport without... I don't know. I like burbles though. I like the burbles. But let me know. Maybe I'll take off the burbles and just have the car sound louder. That's it. It would be nice if I can get an exhaust for this car, bro. I know that it's probably not gonna make a huge difference, but I don't think the valves open completely when I have it in sport. 'Cause I still think that BMW limits how much they open. So it's the last pull before we get there. Oh, well, we are here, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Your boy Stakes loves you guys, man. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's go.